Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G62. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning let's find Assistant app, enter it and go to its settings. Assistant settings.
Opening Assistant.
Now go to voice match, enable Hey Google function, tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back, enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. Hey Google. What's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be snow showers with a high of 32 and a low of 23.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.